Hi friends, welcome to my channel Travel with Siri. It's time for our monthly family lunch date, or let's call it as a delayed Valentine's Day celebration. We name our outings according to the closest occasion that has happened or yet to happen.
More chicken of what chicken?
Indian wok is an Indo-Chinese cuisine which is in easy reach to our house. We visited on a weekday due to which it looks uncrowded and airy, but this restaurant is a happening place to catch up with friends or family, especially in the evenings or weekends, which offers a great ambience and service. If you wish to know more details about the menu and pricing, I will drop an official website link of the Indian Wok restaurant under this video's description. Kindly note that this is not a promotional video or sponsored by anyone. Me and my husband, we have a very standard set of dishes to order in every restaurant we go. Our standard Indian wok dishes goes as chicken manchow soup or hot and sour soup, chicken Hakka noodles, egg fried rice and chili or ginger chicken. Unlike us, our daughter is the only one who likes to try new dishes, which is good. Me and my daughter spent some quality time chatting about her day at school, and also we quarrel a lot about the dishes to eat and share.
It was not raining. No, it was not raining then. Yeah. Today there is no tea or it got cancelled, no?
She recently jumped from American chop suey to honey chicken and steamed rice and was asking for some chicken dish that she is unsure of.
You always get American chopstick. You never listen to her. You always get only your choice. Huh? You can say that you don't like American chopstick now, but you cannot say that we forced you to eat American chopstick.
A few moments later,
More chicken of what chicken? Can I get one of your chicken, please? Ask my husband.
My husband was constantly busy on his office calls, which is a very common complaint of all wives, which needs to be addressed. But let's keep this discussion for some other video.
Why did you come for your lunch? Why?
Friends, the food was not at all spicy, but I always have this tendency of runny nose while having any food. Recently, I came to know that it is a condition known as rhinorrhea, where a person's nose runs while or after eating food due to different reasons.
यहाँ पे देखा क्या? यहाँ पे देखा?
And finally, it's time for some dessert, and territorial fights between me and my daughter on those honey glazed sticky flat noodles.
Greedy girl. Please, I want more of this. नीचे ही गिर गया आधा दो ना आप कावाले प्लीज गिव I want it. What I like it. खाओ मत बता तुम.
Hope you all enjoyed watching my vlog. Please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to activate the bell in order to get all the notifications.